The journey begins in vast, high-tech plantations, where sustainable resources are harvested with
Every precision cut ensures the integrity of the vascular bundles, preserving the long cellulose chains essential for premium fiber production.
The outer layers are manually stripped to access the inner sheaths, which contain the most flexible and lustrous fibers for weaving.
Efficiency in logistics prevents early oxidation, keeping the organic material pristine as it moves toward the advanced processing facility.
Every raw stem is a reservoir of hidden strength, waiting to be transformed through advanced industrial decortication techniques.
Uniform alignment is critical, preparing the raw organic sheaths for a systematic transformation into high-performance industrial textile fibers.
Automated high-pressure washing removes field contaminants, ensuring a sterile starting point for the complex chemical and mechanical refinement ahead.
Removing the natural mucilage is a vital step to prevent fiber sticking and ensure a smooth, consistent texture during extraction.
Scanning for density and moisture allows the system to calibrate the decortication force, maximizing fiber yield and minimizing structural damage.
Standardizing the length is the foundation for creating continuous yarn, optimized for the high-speed machinery of modern textile mills.
Mechanical dehydration at the source reduces the energy required for later drying, enhancing the sustainability of this industrial process. Nothing is wasted in this circular economy model, as the nutrient-rich sap is diverted for biological fertilizer synthesis.
The decortication stage employs high-velocity impact to shatter the organic pulp while leaving the resilient fibers completely intact. Stainless steel blades operate at thousands of rotations per minute, meticulously stripping away the non-fibrous parenchyma cells.
From the raw plant emerges a shimmering ivory fiber, possessing a tensile strength that rivals traditional synthetic materials.
Thermal management prevents the cellulose from weakening, ensuring the extracted strands retain their natural elasticity and durability.
Kinetic air separation instantly removes organic debris, leaving only the pure, high cellulose strands on the primary conveyor line.
Automated grippers provide consistent tension, aligning the molecular structure of the fibers as they exit the heavy decortication unit.
Human oversight ensures the mechanical extraction achieves perfect clarity before the material proceeds to the secondary chemical refinement.
Real-time sampling monitors the fiber's denier, guaranteeing the consistency required for ultra-fine luxury fabrics and textiles.
A mild alkaline rinse neutralizes the acidic sap residues, preventing fiber degradation and preparing the surface for bio-bleaching.
Uniform compression removes excess moisture, ensuring the subsequent chemical treatments penetrate the fiber core with maximum efficiency.
The rhythmic hum of industry echoes the transformation of a humble plant into a high-value commodity for the global fashion market.
Immersion in specialized degumming tanks initiates the removal of lignin and pectin, the natural glues that bind fibers together.
Bioenzymes act as molecular scissors, selectively breaking down impurities without compromising the structural integrity of the precious cellulose fibers.
Controlled thermal activation accelerates the chemical reaction, ensuring a deep and uniform purification throughout the entire fiber bundle.
Ozone infusion provides a powerful yet eco-friendly whitening effect, eliminating the need for harsh chlorine-based bleaching agents.
Witness the chemical metamorphosis as the fiber sheds its organic tint, the brilliant, silk-like luster.
Dynamic agitation ensures every strand is evenly exposed to the refining agents, preventing uneven textures in the final textile product.
Precision monitoring is the hallmark of this high-tech facility, where every milligram of catalyst is tracked for optimal performance.
Sustainability is engineered into the process, with advanced nanofiltration recycling 95% of the chemical refining agents.
Distilled water rinsing removes all traces of enzymes, stabilizing the fiber's chemical state for the critical drying and softening phases.
Multi-point irrigation ensures total purity, leaving the fibers soft, supple, and ready for advanced mechanical softening treatments.
Laboratory-grade testing confirms the fibers are safe for skin contact, meeting the most stringent international textile safety standards. The application of nano-softening agents coats each fiber in a microscopic protective layer, significantly enhancing its tactile smoothness and drape mist that penetrates deep into the fiber matrix, providing lasting softness that survives multiple wash cycles. Silicon-tipped rollers gently declump the fibers, ensuring a voluminous and airy texture that is essential for high-quality yarn spinning.
Halogen pre-drying locks in the softening agents, creating a permanent bond between the nanoparticles and the cellulose structure.
Controlled stretching aligns the internal polymers, increasing the fiber's tensile strength while maintaining a soft, luxurious hand feel. Precision robotic handling prevents fiber entanglement, maintaining the perfect alignment achieved during the mechanical and chemical refinement stages. Moisture equilibration prepares the fibers for the intense heat of the industrial dryer, preventing brittle fractures in the delicate strands. Visual inspection under calibrated lighting confirms the fiber has achieved the signature banana silk sheen desired by luxury designers. Digital verification of the softening process guarantees that every batch meets the exact specifications of the most demanding fashion houses.
The industrial drying tunnel is a masterpiece of thermal engineering, utilizing precise airflow to stabilize the fiber's refined molecular structure.
Vertical laminar airflow ensures uniform dehydration, preventing wet spots that could lead to mold or fiber weakening during storage.
Smart sensors detect the exact moment of optimal dryness, preventing over-drying, which can make natural fibers prone to snapping.
Energy efficiency is maximized through heat exchangers, significantly reducing the carbon footprint of this advanced textile manufacturing line.
Dry and resilient, the fibers now possess a weightless quality, ready to be transformed into breathable, high-performance eco-textiles.
The completion of the drying cycle marks the birth of a new raw material, more sustainable than cotton and stronger than conventional silk. Manual verification confirms the digital readings, ensuring the moisture content is exactly 12% for ideal spinning conditions. Flash cooling stabilizes the fibers instantly, locking in their shape and preventing the reabsorption of ambient humidity from the factory floor. Ionized air neutralization prevents static buildup, a critical step for ensuring smooth passage through the subsequent carding and spinning machines.
Protective packaging preserves the fiber's pristine state, shielding it from the environment until the moment it reaches the spinning floor.
Counter-rotating cylinders meticulously separate individual fibers, removing any remaining short staples or microscopic organic impurities.
Short, substandard fibers are extracted and diverted to the non-woven textile line, ensuring only the longest strands proceed to premium yarn production.
The chaotic mass of fibers is transformed into a neat, organized sliver. The precursor to a laser monitoring ensures the sliver's density is perfectly uniform, a prerequisite for producing fabric without thin spots or structural flaws.
Combing removes any remaining imperfections, polishing the fibers to a mirror-like finish that defines the pinnacle of sustainable textile quality.
Automated coiling prevents twisting or damage and preserves the delicate alignment of the fibers for the upcoming spinning and twisting stages. Full traceability is guaranteed, allowing manufacturers to track the fiber's journey from a specific plantation to the final luxury garment. Rigorous stress testing confirms the fiber's superior performance, ensuring it can withstand the intense tension of high-speed industrial looms.
Optical sorting categorizes the fibers by luster and length, ensuring each grade is allocated to its most appropriate high-value application. The finest fibers receive white glove treatment, protected as a precious commodity destined for the world's most exclusive fashion runways. A massive inventory of high-tech fibers stands ready, representing the future of fashion, where industry and nature exist in perfect harmony. Autonomous vehicles ensure a seamless flow of material, maintaining the high-velocity rhythm of this state-of-the-art textile manufacturing hub. Meticulous maintenance of the combing machinery prevents cross-contamination, ensuring every batch of fiber remains pure and unblemished. The precision of the tools reflects the quality of the product, where microengineering meets organic material to redefine the textile industry. Real-time data analytics optimize every stage of production, maximizing yield while adhering to the highest global quality standards. Final executive approval marks the end of the raw processing phase, as the fibers move toward their final transformation into woven art. Biodegradable shrink wrap provides the final layer of protection, reflecting the factory's unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship.
Heavy-duty forklifts organize the finished fiber bales, ready for global distribution to the world's leading textile manufacturing centers.
The drawing process blends multiple slivers into one, ensuring a perfectly uniform fiber density before the spinning begins.
Real-time mass monitoring eliminates imperfections, guaranteeing a flawless yarn that meets the world's most rigorous textile standards. The roving stage adds a slight twist to the fibers, providing enough strength for the material to be wound onto bobbins. Large-scale roving bobbins are systematically loaded,
fueling the high-speed transformation into ultra-fine textile yarn. At staggering velocities, the ring spinning frame imparts the final twist, locking the banana fibers into a durable, high-tenacity yarn.
Pneumatic hairiness control ensures the yarn surface is smooth and lustrous, essential for achieving a high-end silk-like finish. Intelligent splicing technology joins broken ends with invisible precision, maintaining the continuity of the yarn without creating knots.
Finished yarn is wound into precision cones, optimized for the rapid tension and movement of modern industrial looms.
Manual verification of twist per inch ensures the mechanical properties of the yarn are optimized for the intended fabric weave.
Vacuum steaming stabilizes the yarn's internal stresses, preventing snarling and ensuring the material behaves predictably during weaving.
Saturated moisture infusion sets the twist permanently, enhancing the yarn's dimensional stability for a wrinkle-resistant final fabric.
High-speed warping aligns thousands of individual yarns onto a large beam, creating the foundation for the fabric structure.
A massive matrix of yarn cones feeds the warping beam, a breathtaking display of synchronized industrial textile logistics. The sizing process coats the yarn in a protective film, increasing its resistance to abrasion during the intense friction of weaving.
Infrared drying instantly solidifies the protective coating, ensuring the yarn remains flexible yet incredibly resilient on the loom.
Completed warp beams, weighing hundreds of kilograms, are meticulously moved toward the high-capacity weaving floor. Fully automated drawing-in systems thread each individual yarn through the loom's harness with absolute digital accuracy. The heart of the factory beats in the weaving hall, where advanced looms interlace yarn into sophisticated, sustainable fabrics. High-velocity air jets propel the weft yarn across the warp at speeds faster than the human eye can follow. The thunderous rhythm of production signifies the birth of a new textile, weaving nature's fibers into a masterpiece of engineering. The unique organic texture of banana fiber begins to emerge, a subtle sheen that distinguishes it from any other natural textile.
Optical scanners monitor every millimeter of fabric, flagging even the smallest inconsistency for immediate robotic correction. Meters of pristine banana fabric accumulate, a testament to the seamless integration of agricultural waste and high-tech manufacturing. Continuous material supply ensures the looms never stop, maintaining a 24-hour cycle of sustainable fabric production.
Precise environmental control is vital, keeping the natural fibers at optimal elasticity to prevent breakage under high tension.
An ocean of machinery transforms raw biomaterials into kilometers of high-value textile, ready for the global fashion elite.
The singing process passes the fabric over a controlled flame, burning off protruding microfibers for a smooth, high-clarity surface.
Continuous desizing washes remove all temporary coatings, revealing the true softness and natural luster of the banana silk. High-pressure heated rollers polish the fabric, enhancing its natural gloss and creating a luxurious, silky hand feel.
Quality control experts scrutinize every roll under intense backlighting, ensuring a zero-defect standard for premium export batches.
Rigorous laboratory analysis confirms the fabric's performance, ensuring it meets the longevity expectations of luxury fashion brands. Automated identification systems link each roll to its digital quality report, providing full transparency for the end customer. Final ionization ensures the fabric is easy to handle and cut, providing a seamless experience for garment manufacturers.
Digital twin technology archives a high-resolution scan of every meter, guaranteeing accountability and consistent quality worldwide.
Protective layers shield the delicate organic fabric from environmental factors, ensuring it arrives at the atelier in perfect condition.
Vacuum packaging optimizes shipping space, reflecting the factory's commitment to reducing logistics-related carbon emissions. Heavy-duty robotic arms handle the finished rolls with precision, placing them into reinforced packaging for global transit. Strategic branding and tracking data are etched onto the exterior, marking the product's origin from the world's most advanced fiber factory. Palletization is executed with mathematical accuracy, ensuring stability and safety during long-distance maritime or air transport.
Final securing of the shipment provides total integrity, protecting the high-value textile assets during international distribution.
Vertical space is maximized in the high bay warehouse, where every pallet's location is tracked by a central AI management system.
The final digital sign-off initiates the global shipping process, sending sustainable luxury to fashion capitals across the world.
Loading the final product concludes a journey of transformation, from a simple banana stem to the pinnacle of eco-conscious textile innovation. The final reveal at world-class boutiques showcases the extraordinary result of high-tech manufacturing and nature's resilience. A masterpiece of sustainable engineering, this fabric represents the future of fashion. Ethical, beautiful, and uncompromisingly high quality. The sensory experience of banana silk is unparalleled, offering a cool, breathable luxury that honors both the wearer and the planet.
As the sun sets, the factory continues its mission,
turning agricultural waste into the high-tech textiles of tomorrow.
High-precision laser cutting minimizes textile waste, ensuring every square centimeter of the precious banana fabric is utilized with surgical efficiency. Expert craftsmanship meets industrial speed, as skilled tailors assemble the pieces into sophisticated, high-performance eco-garments. Automated steam finishing locks the garment's silhouette, enhancing the banana fiber's natural drape and creating a professional, runway-ready look. Intelligent embroidery systems add the final luxurious touches, branding each garment as a symbol of sustainable innovation and artisanal excellence.
The final transformation is complete, from agricultural STEM to high-fashion attire, embodying the